Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor new. Kublay pi baro kirigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ba press tun tensong lakhot ekran ka Kong Bindas im halor ka jingsna surok na nongpo umdan sonapur minne kasni ba ar. Ha ka jingiakhih yo ba press tun tensong menteri katnat PWD kalapinda ban Weng ya ka jing shahthngan bakhan put hadin baklayo ka jingkular na ka Sorkar bakan sashnano ya ka surok nongpo umdan sonapur. Ya kini karai ka Kong Bindas kalapin na hadin bawai ka jingialang ber sembut menteri rangba ka jilla ba prestun tensong bakmi ya katnat PWD road ka jilla ka Kong sim ka penpau ka jing sngo kemen ba ka jing sngongo ba ka Sorkar kalapin sngam ya ka jing dawa jonga ban maramot bat shna penpa ya ka surok nongpo umdan sunapur ba prestun tensong ubala kular ha ka Kong Bindas ki assurance ka babiang ha ka ba ka Sorkar kla ai kar kum ka jingkwa jongka Nalor kani ka Kong Bindas kala ay kublaya baro ki ba ki belawan kershan ha ka jing shahthngan ka bakala shim na ka benta ka bha kamiat upat ba ha ka jing yalang but usembut menteri rangba ya ka Kong Bindas lasan randang da kinong yalam ka KSU North Khasi Hills HYC hito seng samla umdan but senjuk rangba snong Ribhoi district
I'll be here. I'm here. Macam, mana? Oi,
Toh, mana pula? Di mana bos? Sampai. Yang apa? Aku tengok mikrofon.
Kublay shibun ublay un kerkuya pi bapinang la bantrei haka imlang ka salang hapo ka snong bat ka than ka dong ka jungi haka ri bat ka jat ka benriu ka jungi baro ka wei te ka ne ka por ashwa bangin poy ki wei ki benta ban yakren ngas ngeu bah ban pentip syapi bana kaliang jong minister u ba prestun tensong ula ai yangi ya ka jing tan kam bat ka jing dawa ka jongi kat kum ka jing kwa ka jonga kat kum ka jing dawa ka jonga u ba prestun klam da pen ruam baro ki jing dawa jonga ula ai kane ka de ka jing kerku ka jong ublei na ka benta ka jing yem ka jonga ha ka ba nong yalam jong ka jela ka bai ka jongi kilapan sneu ya ka jing kerpat ka jonga kum ka kentei kum ka long kami ka bom dan nei ka bom dan u khiu ja hayeng badan u khiu ja hayeng ki breu henrei nga pen pau ka jing snongo yaw blei bola don rengkat ban nga leng ba ki jing duwai ki bari ki jonga lembat ki jing krisyan ki jong pi ki jing duwai jong pi wei pai wei ha ka ba ki nong yalam ki jongi kilapan snap ya kata ka jing kerpat ka jonga kijing dawa ki jonga de khanang ba kan de kapor Shua ba pintip ya ga jing shisha ngakarpad ya iba kerbong malai bayin sniu ba bonwan shakman ban pule ya kane ka agreement ka jing yatho yatar ka jungi ka jing yakut ka jungi bat u minister jungi ngakarpad ya iba kerbok bayin sngau ba bonwan shakman
Jangan pulih kumbak kelong dong. Jangan pulih kumbak kelong. Upgradation of Nongpa Umdan Sonapur Road, length approximate 59 km, is proposed to be taken up under NESIDS roads and PMGSY 3. Upgradation of Nongpa Umdan Road 20 km is proposed under NESIDS roads to be funded by MDONER, Government of India, at an estimate amount of approximately 52 crores only. The road is proposed to be of intermediate length, and the item of work proposed includes earthwork, subgrade protection works, construction of CC drain and pipe culvert, pavement works and road safety. In March 2024 itself, the Ministry of Donor had prioritized the 20 km stretch of the Nongpa Umdan Road in their budget allocation. The project was delayed due to ensuing MP election and model code of conduct. The detailed project report, DPR, is under preparation and will be sent to the Planning Department by the end of this month. Subsequently, the Planning Department will forward it to the Ministry of Donor through NEC Secretariat for Necessary Action. Further, extension from Umdan to Banian, its surrounding villages along the road is approximately 39 kilometers in length, have also been proposed under PMGSY 3 with an estimate amount of 50.95. The proposal has already been uploaded onto online management monitoring and accounting system OMNMAS of PMGSY. The meeting empower committee under Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India for sanctioning of the scheme is likely to be held shortly. These two projects will be positively taken up within this year 2024. KK Mawa, Secretary Piludi, Government of India.
Hello. Akan cik ini je jawab chandra.
Itu mepis. Pencang.
Ha ka baula ya lam yanga ha ka jing ya lenti ka jonga nadu ka khatsau tarik jong banai baladep banai me hadu ka ni gasni ka bamanta kane gasni ka bamanta ka dei gasni jong ka jing job ka jonga ha ka jing yele rengkat ka jing Christian do bat met bat mensim ka jong pi yanga ha ki ne ki khndiat sni ki baladep no nga ai ka jing khoblei ka ba kerpang ya pi wei ki ba ai ka jing Christian ka barat ba ha kam ki jam ki jonga bat ngapen pauru ka jing sngeungu ka ba krau ya ka sang HYC ka ba penbit penbiang ya ka jaka tia ka jaka sa ka jaka syong ka jonga khublei shibun kinong yalam jong ka HYC ki balaya rap yanga ya ki jing don kam jonga ban penbiang hakiliang baro ublei nang karkhu ya ka sang ka jong